Welcome to Shop Talk. Today we're going with that Husqvarna 288. That's that 87cc 5.3 cubic inch motor. This unit, dry weight on it is 16.3 pounds. That's the less barn chain. And this is capable of running up to a 48 inch barn chain. This one features a 24 inch brand new Husqvarna bar and a new skip tube 3/8 chain. That's a sprocket nose. And we'll just take a look at it here and get up close here. It has a working chain brake, automatic oiler on it. It's got the matched set of large falling spikes. It's got the wrap handlebar, and it's in good clean shape. And it's got the high performance air filter system. We're going to take a closer look at that so you can see what that looks like. It's a foam filter, and you oil them with the uni oil, and I'll show you how to do that here in a second. But it's got a V-stack, and that just makes the saw perform better. And then when you oil these filters, that keeps that motor super clean. And we're not talking about just dumping gallons of oil on this filter. It's a very light coating of a tacky uni foam filter oil. These filters are very easy to maintain and keep that saw motor in just tip-top shape. I'll take a look at that right now. When these filters get dirty, you just take them out, take them off the saw, rinse them in soapy water, clean them good in soapy water, let them dry. And then you take some this uni oil and spray it on there. And then you put that back on the saw with the clamp, and you're ready to go back to work. Good, nice, easy way to keep those filters clean on the saws. We'll go outside now and make a cut with this.